Good.
Doing wonderful. How are you?
Very well. And what brings you up to the cabinet shop today? Were you in need of some furniture?
No, we just looking at the sites, really. Wanted to see what this was.
Oh, we can take care of all your furniture needs from cradle to grave.
Really? Awesome.
Hello.
Do you do cribs?
I'm doing a sword. I'm doing a sword.
Here it turns.
Yeah.
So the grain is going crazy. It's swirling right here. So it wants to go the other direction probably. And this part we're going to cut. So you can stop right here because we're going to cut this part to look like the tip anyways, remember?
Yeah.
So,
Do you think the sound is good? Okay.
there we go.
Now we can plug it over.
You see how far I have it pointed down?
Yeah.
And when it gets really
That makes a funny noise.
kind of fun.
I'm going to try and do the handle this time. I know the lucky tool. Do you think we need like a bigger one now? Since it's a long stick?
Same tool.
No, that's straight.
One more time, but just a real little piece.
There we go.
Now I'll do a little bit.
That was a lot of work. Now I might want to put this back where it was. Put this back where it was. Put it right here.
And then all you're going to need to do is sand it.
Can I put
Yeah.
this is the rough rough? Get it rough 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 rough.
That's the rough paper.
And here's the softest paper, right?
That's the soft paper.
This is the rough rough. This is the rough rough paper. This is the medium paper. This is the soft.
Alright, there you go. Sand that a little bit. So right now you're trying to get anything that will come off as a little splinter and poke in your hand. So you're trying to get this nice and smooth. You can see that little part right there? That's what you're trying to get off.
I'll start from up here. Still on there.
Yep.
Right there.
Sand it off. Now, after you sand it with that paper, you're going to go to a smoother grit and sand that for a couple minutes and then go to a smoother grit. And you keep doing that till it feels nice in your hand. It feels like you're not going to get slivers when you have a sword.
Like the knives.
Yeah, like you did your knives, that's right.
Maybe me and you could have a sword fight. You could get that knife. You could get that sword. Then we're good to go.
You want to get every corner. You want to get these corners too. But you want your handle to be really nice and smooth so you don't get any little wowies in your hand when you're having a sword fight.
Like
You
they
don't
might
want to be
take
distracted.
the sword, like they might knock the sword out of your hand and it might hit you.
Like to show the kids how you do this?
Sure. I would be happy to.
Alright, so this is a spoke shave. So you make spokes with it. Here's a wheel. So the that's your wheel. The very inside part's called a hub, and the spokes are the parts in the middle that holds it all together. So that's something that you would make with this tool.
Like you put it in an angle and make sure these are facing you. And you want to make sure that you can square it just like this